Welcome to Trout Lake, Washington, a hidden gem nestled at the base of Mount Adams, where natural beauty and community spirit create the perfect backdrop for your new home or getaway. Introducing 44 Lonesome Pines Drive, this meticulously maintained single-level home offers 3 bedrooms, a bonus room, 3 bathrooms, all spread across 1,988 square feet of comfortable living space. Now let's just pop on inside and take a tour. As you step inside, you will discover an open concept living, kitchen, and dining areas that seamlessly blend functionality with a little rustic charm. The floor plan features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on one end of the home, and the laundry room, bathroom, and oversized extra deep garage on the opposite end, with a bonus room which is currently being used as a craft room. Located right off the dining room is a stunning back porch area which invites you to unwind and soak in the serene surroundings, where you'll feel at one with nature. Deer, fawns, and wildlife frequent this backyard on the regular and are a joy to see. Experience the ultimate privacy on your 3.94 park-like acres, complete with the picturesque trails that weave throughout the property and a cozy fire pit, perfect for evening gatherings with family and friends. The beautiful tall pine trees allow for just the right amount of shade and sunshine all year long. For those who love to create, build, or store things, the large 30 by 36 shop with large workbench is perfect for all your projects and storage needs. The wood stove also allows you to tinker around all year round. Situated at the end of a peaceful cul-de-sac, this home offers the tranquility and safety of a close-knit community. Living in Trout Lake means embracing a lifestyle rich in outdoor adventures, community events, and welcoming atmosphere that makes you feel just right at home. This beautiful home located here in Trout Lake, Washington is not just a home. It's a place to thrive, or the perfect getaway from the big city. So if you're interested in living in this idyllic setting, give the JDRE team a call. We'd love to give you a private tour.